In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise Sendwave daily send limit. The fastest way to increase your limit is to complete verification inside the Sendwave app and make sure your payment method is confirmed. Let's walk through it together, step by step. Start by opening your Sendwave app and logging into your account. From the home screen, tap the menu icon or your profile picture to open your account settings. Look for the option labeled Verify Account. This is where you complete the identity checks required to unlock higher limits. You'll be asked to enter your full name and date of birth. Make sure these match exactly as they appear on your government-issued ID. Use the same spelling, order, and any middle names. Next, select the purpose of your account. Choose the option that best describes how you plan to use Sendwave. Tap Finish, then Continue. You'll be prompted to select a country. Choose the country that issued your ID. After that, select the document you want to use for verification. Pick the one you have on hand, and that's in good condition. Tap Continue, then Continue again, and then start to begin the capture process. When capturing your document, use bright, even lighting, avoid glare, and place the document on a flat surface. Keep all four corners visible, and make sure text and photos are sharp and readable. If the app asks for both front and back, capture both sides clearly. When you're satisfied, tap Submit Photo. Next, you'll be asked to record your face. Tap Start Recording, then Start. Follow the on-screen instructions, keep your face centered, and remove hats or reflective glasses. Hold steady until the recording completes. When that's done, the app will upload your verification. This review can take a little time, so keep notifications on and check back shortly. If you're prompted, add and confirm a payment method under Payment Methods. You can use a debit or credit card or a bank account. Ensure the name and country on the payment method match your account details to avoid delays. Once verification is processed, go back to your profile and open My Limits to confirm your higher daily send limit. If you don't see an update yet, give it a bit more time and relaunch the app. If your limit remains low, open help or support in the app. Use the in-app chat or email support to request a manual review and be ready to share any supporting documents they ask for. Mention that you completed verification and need a higher limit for your transfers.